Paula, why did you want to tell your story?
Because I want to tell every woman or man out there that it's okay. It's okay to come forward and that you're not alone and that you have a voice. And you've been so courageous up to now and so brave that just use your voice and just tell one person that you're not alone.
And can you tell me how your life changed after the night of the attack?
I feel Paula, the old Paula Doyle died that night. I feel like now I'm a shell of the person that I used to be. But now that the trial is over, I'm going to try and work on myself and get myself back.
Can you describe the campaign of terror that you were under prior to the rape?
I had received messages, videos, photographs, some vile, some very bad sexual messages from an anonymous person that I didn't know who it was. And they plagued me for over 3.5 years before the actual rape.